Let's get right to it. First thing you do, remove that negative battery terminal. There's two 10mm up top. Oh, usually these things are a pain to get off, but obviously it was at one point because someone cracked it. Oh. So put that right here. Now you want to cross your fingers and make sure none of these break when you pull them out. All right, so far so good. Let's keep. All right, beautiful. Okay, so that gets that up and out. Don't lose that. Okay, that slides off. Now, you gotta get everything attached to this valve cover off. It's like right here. That's got to come off. This too big. There's a big bracket right here. I'm going to have to get this off. All right, 14mm. Which that bolt was actually already pretty much out. Freeze up that. There's one. I'll tuck it back there. That's for the fuel rail, so we won't mess with that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off everything and just see what I absolutely have to remove. So if I have to remove this whole assembly from the alternator, I will, but I think I can get away without doing that. So wow, again, everything's been 10mm besides those two. Now we're just gonna pry up like so, break that bond. Now see if we need to remove any of these wires. Which I was able to get that off. Tiny chain looks good. Cam lobes look good, no wear anywhere, which is good. Someone's been doing their oil changes because everything in here looks really nice. Okay, cool. Let's get this cleaned up. So on the underneath this valve cover gasket, you're gonna see spots like this. There's a crack. It looks like a crack, but there's one there, and there's one there. There shouldn't be any on this right side, or left side, I should say, but no, there's not. So you're gonna need some gasket maker, which is this. You need it oil resistant, and you're gonna put a bead of gasket maker right there. And you're gonna do the same for the back side. I'll smooth it out here in a second, but that's what you need to do first. And then we'll get the new valve cover put back on, because it's got to sit there for an hour before we torque it down. It's 1 hour, and then we'll go from there. I got the old gasket out. It broke in a bunch of different spots, which is what happens. It gets nice and brittle. But this new Fel-Pro gasket is just one solid molded. Makes it really nice to install. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to just put this on without removing all those wires. All right. And we got it. I'm just gonna lift it a little bit, just make sure the gasket's set, which it did. Now your really long ones go through the center. There's only 2 long ones. The rest all match. Now just tighten them down, hand tighten for now. Now we gotta let that set for 1 hour. All right, so after that tacked up for an hour, like I said, you wanna keep it hand tight, and then we're gonna torque that down. It says 8 to 10, I put them all to 10. Start in the middle, work your way out, done. Now, start reassembling everything. That guy back right there. Yeah, 1, 2. You should always start from the right and work your way left. I know that. I don't know why I'm doing that. But that's what I did. Start on the right, work your way forward. So much easier and faster. Okay, we'll get those down. Bring your hose back. Put that one back on. Same with the one up here. Now I get this. Oh, where's that? Right there. Perfect. Put that 10mm back. All right. We're gonna take this bracket and you're gonna sandwich that one back in here, and then this job's done. Get the edges all cleaned up, I can't start it and check it right now. I got some other work to do, but once that's done, we'll start it and check it. If I have any problems, I'll come back and show you how we fixed it. Don't forget your ground strap, which goes right here. And that's it. Really easy job. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time. But if you're looking for any high quality LEDs for this vehicle or any other vehicle, head down in the description and check out. You'll see my referral code. Use that referral code for a discount. And they're the brightest bulbs on the market. Trust me. I've tried many of those Amazon ones, those cheap ones. They burn out after a while. These are just super bright LEDs. All right. See you guys next time.